Hi! If you want inspiration for decorating your home, in this video you'll see how to get a fantastic countertop, how to cover your walls with these decals, a perfect accessory for your shower, how to change the floor in your home, and how to give a modern touch to your walls. So sit back and get ready to watch. And remember, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends. Are you thinking of redecorating your walls? Well, pay attention because in this video, I'm going to show you an interesting option. The results are spectacular. Now the wall looks like it's completely made of bricks. What do you think? In this video, I'll introduce you to an essential shower accessory, the corner shelf. After proper installation, it can be used to support the weight of your shampoos and shower gels. It's super useful. Are you tired of your boring walls? Well, don't worry because changing their appearance is super easy and quick to do. This wall decal will transform your walls. It's important to clean the surface so that it sticks properly. This decal is the fastest and easiest way to renovate your bathroom or kitchen. It comes in so many designs and different colors. Would you like to give one a try? There's so many ways to lay the floor in your home, but you're gonna love this one. All you need are these sticky pieces. They're so easy to use. After cleaning the floor, in just a few moments, your floor will be ready and just as beautiful as this one. Kitchen countertops are made? Well, pay attention and keep your eyes on the mesmerizing process. To make this countertop, you only need your hands. No tools or rollers needed. See how easy it is? Thanks to epoxy, this is a creative process in which you can create a variety of different shapes and colors on your countertop. Would you like to have one like this in your home? Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe, click like, activate notifications, and don't miss out on these other fantastic videos.